guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Allie and this is my little sister Bailey.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making
Ladyfingers.
And
Tiramisu.
And why are we making it?
Because our mother likes it.
And tomorrow is Mother's Day. So we are going to get started on making the ladyfingers first, but because of this pandemic, we can't go out and get ladyfingers. So yeah, we're gonna be making them. And the first step is to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that would be in Celsius.
What?
So we got all our things out and we're ready to bake.
All right, so we have our flour, sugar, baking powder, and eggs out. We are going to do a time lapse of all the steps in one, so you can just see it be done like boom, boom, boom. But we are going to post the ingredients afterwards. Okay, so we are going to take the baking parchment and we are going to go over to our baking sheets and put it on. And then we're going to be making the ladyfingers. All right, hey guys, these are the ladyfingers. This was my first time making them, and I think they turned out pretty good. I actually didn't think that they would come together like that. See how they're like all joined? Those ones actually didn't join that much right there. They did, but they didn't actually join that much. So I'm really proud of them. And yeah, now we're gonna get on to making the tiramisu. So the ladyfingers are done, and they actually formed together like that. From the first batch, I knew that they formed together, so I tried to do them more spaced out. Then that happened. Realized my mistake, and then the last ones, they're pretty good, but they're not as long as the other ones. They're kind of like little tiny bite-sized pieces. So yeah, now we have to get on to making the tiramisu. So what I just did is I just mixed the Grand Marnier and the espresso in here. I had to make the espresso. This is the espresso. We need heavy cream, 4 eggs again, some salt, some vanilla extract, need some mascarpone, and you need some cocoa powder. We also need dark rum. All right, so I just made part of the filling part of the cream for the tiramisu. I have the first layer down. Now I'm going to take these egg yolks and cook them, like gently cook them on a double boiler, like right there, with some sugar. All right, let's get baking. All right, so right now I'm with my double boiler making the egg yolks. I mixed also in a half a cup of sugar, and it actually looks really good. It looks like candied egg yolks. So I'm gonna let that sit for a tiny bit, and then I'm gonna come back and stir it. All right, well, I just finished cooking that, and now I'm going to put it in the cream. Alright, so I just made the whipped cream, and I'm gonna go mix it into our other mix. Alright, so today is Mother's Day, and we're gonna give my mom a piece of the tiramisu and see what she thinks about it. Alright, so here my mom is. She is ready to try the tiramisu that I made.
It's really good. Thank you, Allie.
You're welcome. Bailey gives her thumbs up in approval. So does Dakota. Dad, now it's your turn to try it.
That's great. Good job, Al.
Thank you. She is ready to try the tiramisu that I made.
It's really good. Thank
really
you, Allie.
You're welcome.
Okay, welcome back to our channel. So we're gonna make some lady fingers and some treats. And I'm her little sister, and I'm Allie's little sister Bailey, and I'm her little chef, and she's a big chef, and we're really excited.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today we're going to be making...
Lady fingers!
And we're also going to be making a tiramisu, because tomorrow is Mother's Day, and my mom really likes tiramisu.
And Mom is really excited.
We're really excited to make it too.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and I'm Allie, and this is my little sister Bailey.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making...
Lady fingers.
and tiramisu.
Hey.
And tomorrow is Mother's Day.
Yeah.
You